ever wonder what goes into crafting an iconic Chanel bag? Let's break down this journey, which begins with a visionary design inspired by the legendary Coco Chanel. Where does it all begin? It all starts with a vision, a sketch designed with care and creativity, which is sent to Les Ateliers de Verneuil-en-Halatte, the renowned Chanel workshop. There, the transformation from idea to physical product begins, with each step executed with the utmost precision. Les Ateliers is home to approximately 500 highly skilled artisans, each of whom goes through rigorous training that spans 4 to 5 years. This comprehensive training ensures that every individual is a master in their craft, capable of handling everything from sewing and cutting to pattern making, leather working, and operating specialized machinery. Once their training is complete, these artisans have the expertise to work with delicate leathers and fabrics, bringing the Chanel vision to life. They represent the heart and soul of the production process, combining traditional craftsmanship with modern techniques to create the iconic bags that fashion lovers admire. So, how do these bags transition from idea to production? Let's get into the details, step by step, of how Chanel's classic flap bag comes together. The making of a Chanel classic flap bag, or the beloved 1112 bag, is a journey that involves over 180 steps, numerous skilled artisans, and meticulous attention to detail. Here is a step-by-step look at the process that turns raw materials into a luxury masterpiece. Material selection and inspection. The first step in creating a Chanel bag is to select the right material. Chanel uses only the finest skins and fabrics, with artisans carefully choosing and thoroughly inspecting each piece to ensure it is flawless. Whether it's calfskin, lambskin, or an exotic material, only the best quality will do. Once the material is approved, it's ready to be cut to the right proportions. Cutting the material. Precision cutting follows. Using a mix of digital templates and hand cutting, artisans create each piece with careful attention to minimize waste and respect the quality of the leather. With the assistance of a special leather cutting machine, the material is cut into the appropriate dimensions. This machine uses a digitized template to minimize leather waste, ensuring efficiency in the cutting process. Depending on the specific bag or material, such as exotic skins, some cutting may also be done by hand under the supervision of an experienced artisan. This balance of machine precision and human expertise is key to maintaining quality and craftsmanship. Quilting the leather. Next comes one of Chanel's most iconic features, the diamond quilted leather pattern. The pre-cut leather pieces are locked into a special template, and a machine, guided by an artisan, embosses the classic quilted pattern. This quilted look is not just a design choice, but a nod to Coco Chanel's love for equestrianism, inspired by the padded jackets worn by jockeys. Adding the Mona Lisa pocket. A unique touch that sets the classic flap apart is the Mona Lisa pocket on the back of the bag. This small, curved pocket is stitched by hand to ensure precision. It's details like this that make each Chanel bag truly special, adding functionality while maintaining an elegant aesthetic. Assembling the bag. The next step is to bring the pieces together. Chanel uses a unique bag-in-bag technique, where 2 separate bags are created, the interior and the exterior, and then assembled by hand. This method ensures that the bag has a perfect shape, structure, and lining, giving it that polished, luxurious look that Chanel bags are famous for. The artisans use a combination of handiwork and machine stitching, turning the bag inside out to hide all of the stitching, leaving a smooth and elegant finish. Creating the chain strap. One of the most beloved features of the Chanel 1112 bag is its iconic chain strap, braided with a ribbon of leather. This beautiful yet utilitarian feature is completed entirely by hand. The careful weaving of metal and leather creates a strap that is not only durable, but also exudes luxury and sophistication, adding to the timeless charm of the bag. Adding the hardware and final touches. The final step is adding the hardware that completes the Chanel look, the metal grommets, logo, and any additional details. These elements are meticulously placed and secured by hand, with artisans using tools like hammers and screwdrivers to ensure every piece is precisely positioned. This attention to detail is what gives each Chanel bag its unique character. Quality control and packaging. After the bag is complete, it undergoes a rigorous quality control process. Every stitch, seam, and detail is inspected to ensure perfection. Only after passing this scrutiny is the bag wrapped in Chanel's signature black and white packaging, ready to be sent to boutiques around the world. It's a true testament to Chanel's commitment to excellence and luxury. Many people ask, are Chanel bags handmade? The luxury and delicacy of a Chanel bag often lead consumers to wonder, are these bags truly handmade? The answer, in short, is both yes and no. Yes, Chanel bags are partially handmade, but also use machines for precision in certain steps. Chanel bags are crafted with a blend of handwork and machine-assisted processes. While many of the critical steps in production are carried out by hand, certain elements are also created and assembled with the help of machines. This hybrid approach is key to maintaining the precision and consistency that Chanel is known for, while still allowing the artisans to add their personal touch at crucial stages. This unique combination of handmade and machine-assisted craftsmanship is what allows Chanel to achieve the perfect balance of artistry and practicality in every bag. In this video, you will also see which steps are handmade versus which steps are assisted by a machine. You must be wondering, how long does it take to make a Chanel bag? The creation of a Chanel bag is a labor of love, passion, and incredible craftsmanship. On average, it takes up to 15 artisans around 18 hours to produce a single classic flap or reissue bag crafted from high-quality calfskin. The process is not a simple one. There are more than 180 different steps that must be executed to perfection. For bags made with exotic materials, the production time is even longer, often taking up to 6 times longer due to the specialized handling and cutting that these unique materials require. The intricate nature of the process is what makes Chanel bags so special. Every bag that leaves Les Ateliers has been through the hands of multiple artisans, each of whom contributes to the finished product. It is this level of dedication, care, and precision that has made Chanel bags a symbol of luxury and timeless style. A combination of tradition and innovation. The craftsmanship behind Chanel bags is truly a combination of old-world techniques and modern innovation. While machines are used for some steps to ensure precision and efficiency, the artisan's hands are crucial for adding the final touches, making each bag unique. The chain straps, the stitching, the careful placement of hardware, these are all details that are handled with human care and attention. It is this combination that allows Chanel to produce bags that are as functional as they are beautiful, merging heritage with cutting-edge methods. Why Chanel bags are more than accessories. Chanel bags are more than just fashion items. They are symbols of artistry, luxury, and history. From the selection of the finest materials to the intricate stitching and hand-assembled details, each bag tells a story of craftsmanship and dedication. The artisans at Les Ateliers are not just workers. They are artists who devote their skills and time to creating pieces that represent the epitome of luxury. When you carry a Chanel bag, you are carrying the culmination of hours of passion, skill, and tradition. It's not just about the brand or the logo, it's about the artistry that goes into every inch of the bag. From its carefully selected materials to the hours of meticulous work, each Chanel bag is a testament to the magic that happens when art, fashion, and passion come together. The timeless legacy of Chanel bags. In a world where trends come and go, Chanel bags remain timeless. The craftsmanship, quality, and care that go into making each piece are what ensure their place as beloved accessories that stand the test of time. They're not just items you wear, they're heirlooms that are passed down, treasured for generations. Each Chanel bag is more than just a product. It's a story of dedication, quality, and history, crafted for those who value timeless luxury. If you enjoyed learning about the fascinating craftsmanship behind luxury goods like Chanel bags, don't forget to watch our next video, which explores the making of another luxury item. Let us know in the comments which stage of this process you found most surprising, or even which iconic Chanel feature you love the most. Are you a fan of the diamond quilting, the chain strap, or the Mona Lisa pocket? We'd love to hear your thoughts.